Hello everyone. Today we are continue with addition and number block. Let's start. 4.
I go to plus
17.
I go to equal
21. 3.
I go to plus
15.
I go to equal
18. 14.
I go to plus
6.
I go to equal
20. 8.
I go to plus
1.
I go to equal
9. 16.
I go to plus
18.
I go to equal
34. 14.
I go to plus
14.
I go to equal
28. 12.
I go to plus
9.
I go to equal
21. 2.
I go to plus
4.
I go to equal
6. 19.
I go to plus
19.
I go to equal
38. 18.
I go to plus
7.
I go to equal
25. 1.
I go to plus
8.
I go to equal
9. 6.
I go to plus
15.
I go to equal
21. 8.
I go to plus
15.
I go to equal
33. Sorry, 23. 12.
I go to plus
5.
I go to equal
17. 20.
I go to plus
11.
I go to equal
31. 16.
I go to plus
1.
I go to equal
17. 15.
I go to plus
13.
I go to equal
28. Oh, it look very fashion. I want fashion. 5.
I go to plus
7.
I go to equal
12. 4.
I go to plus
5.
I go to equal
9. 3.
I go to plus
20.
I go to equal
23. 16.
I go to plus
20,
I go to equal.
36, 1,
I go to plus.
2,
I go to equal.
3. It is so easy. 15,
I go to plus.
9,
I go to equal.
24, 1,
I go to plus.
7,
I go to equal.
8, 10,
I go to plus.
15,
I go to equal.
25, 15,
I go to plus.
14,
I go to equal.
29, 5,
I go to plus.
11,
I go to equal.
16, 14,
I go to plus.
10,
I go to equal.
14, 10,
I go to plus.
14,
I go to equal.
24, 3,
I go to plus.
20,
I go to equal.
23, 10,
I go to plus.
15,
I go to equal.
25, 16,
I go to plus.
15,
I go to equal.
31, 11,
I go to plus.
3,
I go to equal.
14, 20,
I go to plus.
17,
I go to equal.
37. Now the lesson in the end. See you again in the next lesson. Goodbye.